Hi guys, it's John of Petershams Millinery and welcome back to my channel, and this is day one of our Christmas countdown. Now I am filming this after I've recorded everything. I had a bit of an issue with one of my clips on day one. I forgot to plug my audio equipment in. So how this works is, so every day we'll be opening up a package, and I don't know what's inside. We're going to be opening it up, seeing what we get, and enjoying this small video every day in the lead up to Christmas. So let's crack on with this video. So just recorded this bit and I realised my camera mic wasn't plugged in. So these bases retail for £6, which is, I think, is a very good price, and the colour of this is cerise pink. So yeah, and they've got lots of different colours, so if you did like this shape and you wanted to play with this, then lots of different colours. So that's a good start to this year's advent calendar. I love pink. If you're regular to this channel, you know that pink and sparkle are my two favourite colours. If it's pink and sparkly, that's even better. For those of you that were with me last year, you will know that at the advent calendar time we like to ask questions. So this first question for day one is this something Petershams offer, or do they do it because you're amazing? Thank you very much. I'd love to get an advent calendar from them for myself, and that's from most_darling on Instagram comments. This isn't something that Petershams offer. This is something I just purchased. This is just something I purchased, really. I say, right, just send me lots of things. You know, I've got a budget, so just send me. And this year, they wrapped them for me in individual. So, whereas last year I kind of knew what I was getting, because, you know, I kind of knew what I was getting, but I didn't know which day they were coming in. But this time, I genuinely don't know what I'm getting. So, yeah, that's it. But you never know. If a few of you want an advent calendar, maybe it's something I can speak to Petershams about, see what they say. So yeah, as always, thank you very much for watching. This is day one of the advent calendar. We've got another 24 to go. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that like button, leave me a comment. It all helps this channel. The more people that like it, the more people that subscribe, the more people that comment on these videos, means these videos get shared to a wider audience, which in turn means I get more viewers and I can spend more time doing what I actually want to do, and that is talking on camera to myself for you. So if you haven't, hit that subscribe button, and for those of you that have subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when I release videos. In the month of December, it will be daily at 8 PM every day. So set your alarm clocks for that, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.